might have cloves sitting in your spice cabinet right now, but did you know that this tiny spice holds incredible health benefits, especially when consumed at night? In this video, we'll explore 15 powerful health benefits of clove water that most doctors never mention. By the end of this video, you'll be reaching for cloves every night. Make sure to stay till the end because we've got some surprising benefits that can transform your health. So grab a cup of tea, relax, and let's get started. Benefit 1. Clove water helps you sleep better. If you're one of the millions of people struggling with insomnia or restless nights, clove water might be the natural solution you've been searching for. Cloves contain magnesium, a mineral that is essential for muscle relaxation and reducing stress. Magnesium works as a natural sedative, calming the nervous system and helping you drift off to sleep faster. Drinking clove water before bed can promote relaxation, making it easier for your body to unwind after a long day. Many people find that after regularly drinking clove water at night, their sleep quality improves significantly. Benefit 2. Clove water supports digestive health. We've all experienced that uncomfortable bloated feeling or indigestion after a late night meal. Drinking clove water can be an excellent remedy for digestive issues. Cloves are rich in fiber, which helps prevent constipation and promotes healthy bowel movements. The compounds in cloves, such as eugenol, act as a digestive aid by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes, which break down food more efficiently. Drinking clove water at night can help reduce bloating, gas, and other digestive discomforts, leaving you feeling light and refreshed in the morning. Benefit 3. Clove water relieves sore throat and cough. One of the more traditional uses of cloves is to soothe a sore throat or persistent cough. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of cloves work wonders for respiratory health. When you drink clove water at night, the cloves can soothe throat irritation and reduce inflammation. Eugenol, the main active compound in cloves, has been shown to fight bacteria that cause throat infections. Additionally, it helps in clearing mucus from your respiratory system, providing relief from coughs. For those battling a cold or flu, drinking warm clove water before bed can speed up recovery. Benefit 4. Clove water enhances oral health. You might be surprised to learn that cloves have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for dental issues. The antibacterial properties of cloves make them an effective solution for preventing tooth decay, gum disease, and bad breath. Drinking clove water before bed can help eliminate harmful bacteria in your mouth that might cause dental problems. Moreover, the eugenol in cloves is a natural anesthetic, which can help numb tooth pain and reduce inflammation in the gums. If you're prone to dental issues or just want to keep your oral hygiene in check, make clove water part of your nightly routine. Benefit 5. Clove water aids in weight loss. Are you trying to shed a few extra pounds? Clove water can be a helpful addition to your weight loss journey. Cloves have thermogenic properties, which means they can increase your metabolic rate. A higher metabolism means your body burns more calories, even while you sleep. The active compounds in cloves also help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing late-night cravings that often lead to weight gain. Drinking clove water at night may help you stay on track with your weight loss goals by curbing hunger and improving digestion. Benefit 6. Clove water reduces inflammation and joint pain. Cloves are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce inflammation in the body. If you suffer from joint pain, arthritis, or muscle soreness, drinking clove water at night can provide relief. Eugenol, the potent compound in cloves, has been shown to block enzymes that cause inflammation, making it a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers. Over time, regular consumption of clove water can significantly reduce chronic pain and improve joint flexibility. Benefit 7. Clove water boosts the immune system. If you find yourself getting sick often, it's time to strengthen your immune system, and cloves can help. Cloves are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which play a vital role in boosting the body's defense mechanisms. Drinking clove water before bed can help your body fight off infections more effectively by enhancing the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for battling viruses and bacteria. This simple nightly habit can give your immune system the boost it needs to keep you healthy. Benefit 8. Clove water helps manage diabetes. Managing blood sugar levels is essential for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Clove water can help stabilize blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity. The compounds in cloves mimic insulin's effects, making it easier for the body to process glucose. If you're looking for a natural way to manage your blood sugar, drinking clove water at night can prevent spikes and crashes, promoting stable energy levels throughout the day. Of course, it's always important to consult with a healthcare professional if you're managing a medical condition like diabetes. Benefit 9. Clove water improves skin health. Who doesn't want glowing, clear skin? Cloves are loaded with antioxidants, which can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. These free radicals are responsible for premature aging, wrinkles, and dull skin. Drinking clove water at night allows your body to detoxify and rejuvenate while you sleep, resulting in clearer, more radiant skin over time. Additionally, the antibacterial properties of cloves can help prevent acne and other skin issues by fighting off bacteria that cause breakouts. Benefit 10. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but incorporating clove water into your diet can help protect your heart. Cloves contain compounds that improve blood circulation, reduce cholesterol levels, and regulate blood pressure. The antioxidants in cloves also help reduce oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to heart disease. Drinking clove water regularly may lower your risk of developing heart-related issues and promote overall cardiovascular health. Benefit 11. Clove water fights bacterial infections. We've mentioned that cloves have antibacterial properties, but did you know that clove water can help fight off bacterial infections throughout the body? Whether it's a urinary tract infection, skin infection, or even food poisoning, clove water can assist in killing harmful bacteria. Drinking clove water at night helps the body flush out toxins and fight infections while you sleep, giving your immune system the support it needs to combat harmful pathogens. Benefit 12. Clove water reduces stress and anxiety. In today's fast-paced world, many of us deal with stress and anxiety daily. Drinking clove water before bed can help you wind down and relax after a stressful day. Cloves contain compounds that have a calming effect on the nervous system, reducing feelings of anxiety and promoting a sense of well-being. The soothing properties of cloves can help lower cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress, allowing you to sleep more peacefully and wake up feeling refreshed. Benefit 13. Clove water improves respiratory health. Clove water is excellent for respiratory health. It helps clear mucus from the airways, making it easier to breathe, especially for those suffering from asthma, bronchitis, or other respiratory issues. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves can reduce swelling in the throat and lungs, improving airflow and overall respiratory function. Drinking clove water at night can provide relief from symptoms like congestion and wheezing, making it easier to sleep and breathe comfortably. Benefit 14. Clove water supports liver detoxification. Your liver plays a vital role in detoxifying your body, and clove water can assist in this process. Cloves contain compounds that protect the liver from damage caused by toxins, free radicals, and inflammation. Drinking clove water before bed gives your liver a boost in its natural detoxification process, helping to cleanse your body of harmful substances. Over time, this can improve liver function and support overall health. Benefit 15. Clove water boosts brain function. Finally, clove water is beneficial for brain health. The antioxidants in cloves protect brain cells from oxidative stress, which can improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Drinking clove water regularly can improve memory, focus, and overall mental clarity, helping you stay sharp and alert throughout the day. This nightly habit supports long-term brain health and keeps your mind in peak condition. There you have it. 15 incredible health benefits of clove water, many of which are rarely talked about by doctors. From improving sleep to supporting heart health, clove water is truly a powerhouse remedy that you can easily incorporate into your nightly routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural health tips. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried clove water before? What benefits have you experienced? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.